Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your video background on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Discord application on my PC and I'm going to show you how we can change our video background. First of all, we need to click on the setting menu to open up the Discord setting, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the voice and video setting. Okay, here you can scroll down until you find the video setting, and you'll be able to change the video background right here. You can either select blur or maybe this background. It's up to you, and for me, I'm gonna go with this one, Olympus Vacation, and you can test your video right here to check how the background looks like. Okay, and this is the background I have applied, and I'm going to show you guys one by one. Okay, you just need to select the background that you like. I'm going to select the Discord the movie. Okay, and this is the final result. And anytime you make a video call on Discord, your video will look like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change background on Discord PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.